Good afternoon, everyone. We were talking about equant. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Now we've got. अच्छा, there are certain questions also. क्या question है? Got. So can you again explain the part where it's written MP-led scheme encroaching into the domain of PRI and having conflict of interest? बेटा देखो, पंचायत इंस्टीट्यूशन, ये जो PRIs हैं, इनका डोमेन है दैट वी नीड टू गो इन फॉर द डेवलपमेंट. बेसिकली PRIs क्या है, लोकल लेवल डेवलपमेंट के लिए, एरियाज़ के लिए काम करते हैं. तो अगर रोड बनानी है तो वो म्यूनिसिपैलिटी का ही काम होगा. तो ये इससे आप मतलब जो भी ये 5 करोड़ में जो खर्च किया जाएगा पैसा, वो कहीं ना कहीं वो एरिया है जिस पे म्यूनिसिपैलिटीज़ या पंचायत जो हैं उनका डोमेन आ रहा है. वो तो बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट वो उनके एरिया में इनक्रोच तो होएगा ही होएगा. ठीक है, तो एक चीज़ तो ये क्लियर होगी दैट हाउ इट इज़ एनक्रोचिंग इनटू द डोमेन्स ऑफ द PRIs. दूसरा है कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. देखो, MP है वही डिसाइड कर रहा है कि ये पैसा मतलब करना क्या है, और वही कहीं ना कहीं एग्जीक्यूट भी करवा रहा है. बोला ठीक है ये करवा दो आप. उसके कॉन्टेक्स्ट में मतलब आई एम द वन हु इज मेकिंग द रूल एंड आई एम द वन हु इज एग्जीक्यूटिंग ऑल्सो द रूल. एंड इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ दैट मैं खुद ही डिसाइड कर सकता हूँ बहुत सारी चीज़ें. एंड इफ द पर्सन हु इज डिसाइडिंग एवरीथिंग दैट ये करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए, अच्छा वो मतलब आई हैव गॉट n नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स टू डू. नाउ मेरे पास n नंबर ऑफ चीज़ें आती हैं, उसमें मेरा पहचान में एक पर्सन है, चलो उसको काम करवाना है, उसको पैसे दिलाने हैं मुझे, तो क्या करेंगे कि अच्छा ये काम कर लो आप. तो दैट पर्सन विल गेट द मनी ऑल्सो बिकॉज ही कुड बी द वन हु इज टेकिंग टेंडर, या प्रोजेक्ट वही एग्जीक्यूट करता होगा, उसके पास पैसा जा रहा होगा और उससे फिर घूस भी ली जा सकती है, हु नोज. तो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आ रहा होता है. आई होप यू गॉट द पॉइंट. ठीक है. So we've got, ठीक है. Now we had seen the context where the deliberative and legislative role is not being played, and deliberative and legislative role अगर आप देखा जाए, it's also not being played because of too much of disruptions. बहुत disruptions हो रहे हैं. When we talk about disruptions, देखिए, we've got 13th, we've got 14th, we've got 15th, currently 17 लोकसभा चल रही होगी. 16th के कॉन्टेक्स्ट 16, अगर आप कॉन्टेक्स्ट देखोगे, अगर हम ऐसा कोशिश करें, छोड़ दो, लेट्स मेक श्योर वी अंडरस्टैंड लाइक दिस. ये 2004 to 9 है, 9 to 14 है, 2014 to 19 है, एंड 2019 to 24 है. ठीक है. Now we cannot look into this because ये जो है ये currently in practice, मतलब it's going on, so we don't have data. When you look at the context, जो 2009 to 2014 जो लोकसभा थी, इससे बेटर ये लोकसभा है. Means 2014 to 2019 लोकसभा functioned better than the 2009 to 2014 लोकसभा. इससे बेटर ये चली है. However, इससे बेटर ये लोकसभा चली है. ठीक है. So now everything is dependent on how the question is framed. If you want to show that the condition or the legislature की condition improve हो रही है in terms of deliberative legislative role, आप क्या करोगे, यहाँ से ये condition इनके डेटास को मैच करोगे आप, and you will show that the condition is improved. If you have to show the condition is not improving or it has gone to bad to worse, आप इसको उल्टा दिखाओगे आप कि 10 साल पहले बेटर होता था. So everything is dependent on how the question is framed and accordingly you will answer. तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए that you have to have a fixed concept that condition is improving और खराब हो रही है. नहीं, दोनों context आते हैं. When we talk about disruptions में जैसे the full लोकसभा और द लास्ट लोकसभा वर्कड फॉर अराउंड 1600 आवर्स, 1600 घंटे काम किया उन्होंने. So it is better than the earlier Lok Sabha. However, full term Lok Sabha works for almost 2800 2700 hours. तो ऑलमोस्ट कितने घंटे कम काम किया हुआ है. इन्होंने बहुत कम काम किया हुआ है, बहुत ज़्यादा डिसरप्शंस रहे हैं, बट दे वर्कड मच बेटर. एंड देयर आर अर्लियर लोक सभा विच डिड फंक्शन मच बेटर. When you talk about the Lok Sabha in context of, let's say, numbers of sitting, so the last Lok Sabha sat for 331 days. However, full Lok Sabha sits for almost close to 450 plus number of days. तो point क्या है? Everything depends on exactly how the question is drafted. देखो, number of political parties increase हो चुकी हैं लोक सभा में. Regional political parties have also come up at national level. As regional political parties are there at the national level, sometime compromise or sometime coming to the same, let's say, same level. क्योंकि regional political party would think from the regional perspective. That does not mean regional political party should not be there. Regional political party बहुत important है. ये democracy और federalism को strengthen करती है. However, lot of time it happens, regional political party का interest सिर्फ region में है, only in that particular region. So they may not have a national perspective. National perspective हो सकता है हो ही ना वो रख रहे हो. So they may only think from the regional perspective. So sometime compromise बहुत difficult हो जाता है, sometime possible ही नहीं है, फिर disruptions हो जाते हैं. Also time कम दिया जा रहा है डिस्कशन के लिए, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इंक्रीज हो चुकी हैं. सो डिस्कशन इज नॉट बेस्ड ऑन हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट इज द इशू. डिस्कशन इज बेस्ड ऑन द नंबर ऑफ MPs दे हैव इन द हाउस. More the MP, more the time. This should not be the case, right? It should not be more the MP, more the time. On the contrary, it should be that MPs needs to be allowed, or they are speaking, it should be on the basis of issue. How important is the issue? Now, issues which are critical to the government are not allowed, not discussed, not debated. So, opposition फिर हल्ला तो करेगा ही. When the leaders of the opposition are not allowed to speak, we've had incidents where the mics were switched off when the people were speaking. So, point is, deliberative legislative role pe we are failing at many ends. When you talk about legislative function, do you know that in terms of discussion, Coconut Development Board Bill, Coconut Development Board Bill took 1 minute to pass in Lok Sabha. Took 1 minute. This much of time might have actually been taken by the person to introduce the bill. That thank you everyone. I would like to thank the opportunity and I am presenting Coconut Development Board Bill. Pass, pass, pass. The point क्या है? Juvenile Justice Bill took 5 minutes to pass. Even Chief Justice of India last year clearly said that the parliamentarians or the bills are not discussed properly in the legislature, thereby it is increasing the ambiguity, thereby more petitions in the judiciary. So one of the reason for pendency of the cases आप डाल सकते हो ambiguity in the laws, and you can use the Chief Justice. The Chief Justice in 2021 had said, you don't need to know the name कि उस किसने बोला हुआ है क्या है. CJI official capacity में he was speaking. He was not giving a judgment, but he was speaking in one of an event as a CJI. So it means he could easily be quoted. So how can we say the parliament is deliberative or legislative body? When we talk about bills, we know that it is not being discussed. When we talk about bills to be sent to committees, bills are not sent to committees regularly. Earlier, more bills were being sent to committees. Now, the bills are not being sent only. Demand for grant in terms of budget around 10-15 days back, 100% of it were passed without discussion. बिना discussion के पास हो गया. Something related to lakhs of crore or rupees were passed in 5 to 9 minutes. आप समझ रहे हो इतना ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, लैक्स ऑफ करोड़ वी टॉकिंग अबाउट एंड पासिंग इट इन मिनट्स. दिस डिड नॉट हैपन फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, इट हैपेंड अर्लियर ओनली. दिस सेंचुरी में कम से कम चौथी बार हुआ है ये. The demands for grants are passed without discussion. 100% of the demands were passed without discussion. When we look at the sessions are being washed out. Whole session, when I say wash out means nothing constructive was done in that session. No bill was passed, nothing. We look at 2G scam. In context of 2G scam में JPC की demand थी. Currently how the JPC is being demanded, तो 2G scam पे पूरा सेशन वॉश आउट था, नो डिस्कशन. तेलंगाना इशू पे 85% प्लस टाइम वाज वेस्टेड. इवन डीमोनेटाइजेशन पे लॉट ऑफ टाइम वेंट, और टाइम ऑफ द हाउस वाज वेस्टेड. So we've got so many ways to prove that Indian legislature is not a legislative and a deliberative body. ये डिस्कशन कर ही नहीं रही है. तो again this kind of thing could be asked in mains. Now I would be giving you a lot of datas now. Don't mug it up for PT. ये datas mains के लिए है. So you should have an approximate idea. जैसे the last Lok Sabha worked for 331 days. No need to mug up 331 days. आप बोल सकते हो that the last Lok Sabha worked for less than 350 days. सही बात है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. And the full Lok Sabha works for more than 450 days. Both are not exact numbers. However, you are right in mains. So if I'm saying that the last Lok Sabha or the full Lok Sabha, the last Lok Sabha worked for 1600 approximately hours, you're not wrong. And the full Lok Sabha is having around 2800 hours की sitting आ रही है approximately, तब भी गलत नहीं है. So though giving you a lot of data, but don't mug it up in terms of exact numbers, approximately याद रखिएगा आप, ठीक है. So whatever we had written before the break, उसी context में थोड़ा सा कंटिन्यू कीजिए थोड़ा सा और. नेक्स्ट लाइन पे लिखिएगा. वे स्टिल कंटिन्यूइंग वेयर वी लेफ्ट, उसी को कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं. राइट डाउन बिकॉज ऑफ एंटी डिफेक्शन लॉ. ये सिर्फ ये पीछे का कॉन्टेक्स्ट है, बट देन वील गिव अनदर हेडिंग, ठीक है. डोंट वरी. राइट डाउन बिकॉज ऑफ एंटी डिफेक्शन लॉ and whip system most of the members of the house are actually numbers. Most of the members of the house are actually numbers. Next line. In India, the legislature is a legalizing instrument. The legislature is a legalizing instrument for the executive intentions, and actions. Next line. Development in the recent past have further undermined the legislative and deliberative role of parliament. ठीक है. Write down subheading, that is frequent disruptions. सब हेडिंग लिखिए फ्रीक्वेंट डिसरप्शंस, दिस इज सब हेडिंग फ्रीक्वेंट डिसरप्शन, ठीक है। राइट डाउन द 16th लोकसभा, the 16th Lok Sabha worked for a total number of worked for a total number of around 1600 hours, around 1600 hours, comma 20% more 20% more than the 15th Lok Sabha, 20% more than the 15th Lok Sabha, full stop. However, it is 40%, however, it is 40% lower than the average of 40% lower than the average of full term Lok Sabha, average of full term Lok Sabha. ब्रैकेट में लिखिए approximately 2700 hours, approximately 2700 hours. So देखिए आप यहाँ पे they worked for 1600 hours, which is 20% higher than the earlier Lok Sabha, that is the 15th Lok Sabha, but it is 40% lower than the full term Lok Sabha. Full terms Lok Sabha are actually working for around 2700 hours. So that's how you play with data. Next line. The 16th Lok Sabha sat for 331 days, but on an average, full term Lok Sabha sat for 468 days. But on average, full term Lok Sabha sat for 468 days. ठीक है, तो again ये 331, 468 exact number, don't mug it up. You can mug up that around 330 days and more than 450 days. That would be enough to justify your point. Next line. The 16th Lok Sabha, the 16th, ठीक है? The 16th Lok Sabha lost 16% of its scheduled time, to disruption, comma, better than the 15th Lok Sabha, bracket में लिखिए 37%, because 15th Lok Sabha actually had disruptions of 37%. So 16%, तो better है 37% से, right? So 16th Lok Sabha lost 16% of its scheduled time to disruptions, comma, better than the 15th Lok Sabha, that is 37%, but worse than 14th Lok Sabha, that is 13%. So 14th Lok Sabha में सिर्फ 13% disruption happened. This is much better. However, in context of the 14 से better है 16, उसके बाद 15. So 15 to 16 you can show improvement. 14 to 16 if you show, it shows that खराब condition है ये. ठीक है? Next line. The 2010 winter session, was a complete washout, due to demands of JPC, on two G scam due to demands on JPC, due to demands of JPC on 2G scam. Next line. In 2012, almost 80% of its time was wasted. Basically monsoon session में था. So you want to write in the bracket monsoon session, you can do that. So and again ये session important नहीं है, monsoon है कि winter है. This is only to make you understand. In 2012, almost 80% of its scheduled time was wasted on CAG report, on coal mines allocation, Next line. In the last session of the 15th Lok Sabha, more than 90% time was wasted due to Telangana issue. Next line. The 2016 winter session lost almost 85% due to demonetization. ठीक है. अलग से एक और हेडिंग लिखिए. Write another heading. All the things what we are discussing is related only. लिखिए एक सब हेडिंग. Why disruptions? Okay? So why disruptions are happening? ठीक है. लिखिए. Subheading is why disruption. Write down. Number of political parties significantly increased in the parliament. Full stop. या मतलब नहीं कंटिन्यू कर लो कॉमा के बाद. In the background of decreasing time in legislature. Next line. Time allotted to political parties is based on the strength of political party and not according to issues. Next line. Presence of state political parties in Lok Sabha has increased and most political parties in legislature has their political relevance comma identity, comma interest in regional issues, full stop, continue. This makes the possibility of agreement very difficult and sometimes near impossible. Next line. In order to highlight their presence, they go for disruptive activities and communicate to their constituency through live feed of the proceedings. Next line. As legislative business is controlled by business advisory committee and speaker, comma, many times issues important to opposition, but critical to government are not allowed. Next line. Because of anti-defection law, legislators has lost interest in debate and discussion as they cannot speak their mind, full stop, continue. So there is restlessness among them. So become easily prone to disruptive activities. Next line. Rules are not followed properly. Next line. Punishment for not following rules is generally not given. Punishment for not following rules is generally not given. ठीक है, all these things justify what? That why or because of all these things disruptions are increasing. Right, we have given in the argument that the state political parties say it's difficult to come to a conclusion or let's say come to a compromise. That does not mean state parties are not important. They are important. So therefore, but that is also a point. Okay. So in terms of these points, what we notice is that these points though are very important, but you will show it as if these are matlab your answer cannot show or it cannot mean that the state political parties are not important. या ये बहुत ही खराब है. It should not make us believe that these things should be removed altogether. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. But that is also an issue that yes, state political parties पे it becomes difficult. National political party thinks from the national perspective, but state political parties thinks from only from that perspective. There's nothing wrong from thinking from the state's perspective, but sometimes could be a possibility, right? कि थोड़ा difficult आ सकता है. Now, give a gap of 1-2 line because we have not written about the discussion, जैसे वो the coconut development board bill and the other examples which I had given. ठीक है? So एक दो लाइन के बाद आप लिखिए, heading है ये, heading approval of law without discussion, approval of law without discussion or with limited discussion, approval of law without discussion or with limited discussion. Okay, this is the heading. Write down, in the 16th Lok Sabha, 25% of the bills introduced, 25% of the bills introduced were referred to committees, comma, much lower than the 15th, 15th में 70% plus, much lower than the 15th, so 70% plus है, much lower than the 15th and 14th Lok Sabha. And 14th Lok Sabha. So this shows what? 15th में 70% bills were sent, 14th में 60% bills were sent. This shows that they were discussing bills more as compared to the current Lok Sabha. Next line. 16th Lok Sabha passed more than 80% of budget, without discussion, full stop, continue. In budget session of 2018-19, 100% of the demands were passed, 100% of demands were passed without discussion, This also happened in 2004 and 5. This also happened in 2004 and 5, and 2013-14. This also happened in 2004-5 and 2013-14. This even happened a week back, 10 days back only. Same thing happened. Again, it's not that important in terms of PT, factual thing, but mains के context में चीजें आती है. Next line. In the 15th Lok Sabha, approximately 40% of bills has been passed with a discussion of less than 1 hour, with a discussion of less than 1 hour. Next line, the 2021 monsoon session saw 20 bills passed in both houses, comma, almost without discussion, or with minimal discussion, or with minimum discussion. Next line. Example. In Lok Sabha, Coconut Development Board Bill, took 1 minute to pass. In Lok Sabha, Coconut Development Board Bill took 1 minute to pass. And Juvenile Justice Bill and JJ Bill took 5 minutes to pass. Next line. In 2021, CJI said that Chief Justice of India, Parliament is passing laws. CJI said that Parliament is passing laws without proper debate, discussion, resulting in ambiguous legislation. Give a gap of 1-2 line and then write down. The first Lok Sabha on an average sat for 127 days. The first Lok Sabha sat for on an average 127 days a year. And the 14th and 15th Lok Sabha sat for around 70 days. And the 14th and 15th Lok Sabha sat for around 70 days, 70 days per year. Okay? So, ये 127 days per year है, ठीक है? So, don't think कि 127 days totally, 127 days per year, ठीक है? Now, maybe you can write as an example in UK on an average, Parliament sits for 150 days a year. In UK on an average, Parliament sits for 150 days a year. Next line लिखिए. There is another development in the first decade of the 21st century. There is another development in the first decade of the 21st century. Full stop, continue. Sessions of legislatures has been rescheduled. And previous sessions have been combined. And earlier sessions and earlier sessions have been continued and earlier sessions have been continued. ठीक है, this you can write in bracket that this happened in 2008. So this was done in 2008. So any question related to deliberative role of legislature, legislative role of the legislature can easily be sorted out from the information what we have discussed in today's class. ठीक है, सो रिप्रेजेंटेशनल रोल के थ्रू भी डेलिबरेटिव एंड लेजिस्लेटिव वाला एस्पेक्ट आप डाल सकते हो एंड वाइस वर्सा. एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ द क्वेश्चन इज ड्राफ्टेड. नाउ we need to have an understanding again from the main side. However, again you will find a lot of factual information here also which could be used in PT. Now in terms of the relationship between Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, because we need to have this understanding. जैसे Rajya Sabha is seen to be a weak institution, so we need to make the institution stronger as per our argument, or according to the, or after using many factual information, we would show that the Rajya Sabha is not weak. So there is an issue. पहला तो ये देखना है कि राज्य सभा वीक है कि नहीं है. ठीक है, another argument we would see, तीन चीज़ें हम अलग अलग देखेंगे. एक देखेंगे राज्यसभा इज वीक और नॉट, मतलब राज्यसभा इज अ वीक इंस्टीट्यूशन और नॉट. इन उस आर्गुमेंट से हम क्या करेंगे, उसको उसमें हम स्ट्रेंथ दिखा देंगे उसको. ठीक है, नदर आर्ग्यूमेंट हम देखेंगे कि राज्यसभा अपना रोल प्ले कर रही है कि नहीं प्ले कर रही है. राज्यसभा के दो रोल होते हैं. एक रोल है दैट इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ स्टेट, तो वो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ स्टेट जैसा है कि नहीं है. नदर इज इट इज द हाउस ऑफ एल्डर्स या हाउस विद विजडम. सो if at all in mains question comes कि that is Rajya Sabha playing its role, not directly ऐसे आएगा, कोई घुमा फिरा के आ सकता है. There could be a complicated statement also, but the point is, if the question is coming in terms of the role of Rajya Sabha is a weak institution or not playing its role, तो अगर क्वेश्चन ने ही डिवाइड कर दिया है that it's not able to play its role as house with wisdom, ये बहुत टफ क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा for a lot of students to answer. आप लोग आंसर कर लोगे with today's class. But if at all the question setter does not discriminate or does not divide कि क्या रोल है, तो you will divide it in your this thing in your answer. कि रोल ऑफ राज्यसभा भी, राज्यसभा के एक रोल हो जाएगा हाउस ऑफ, मतलब हाउस ऑफ नॉट हाउस ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, बेसिकली द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द स्टेट, वो शो करोगे आप. Then you will talk about house with wisdom and accordingly you will give answer. बहुत beautiful answer लगेगा. ठीक है, one of the maximum marks could be fetched in this kind of question. However, ज़्यादातर I find student discuss only the their role as representative of the state के context पे, but हम लोग house with wisdom के context में भी जाएंगे. Now, if we look into the aspect of let's say Rajya Sabha कि रिलेशनशिप दोनों का क्या है, तो इट्स सीन दैट लॉट ऑफ टाइम पीपल कंसिडर राज्यसभा टू बी वीक इंस्टीट्यूशन. हाउएवर राज्यसभा इज नॉट अ वीक इंस्टीट्यूशन. क्योंकि मतलब हम डिफेंड कैसे करेंगे, देखो, वी वुड शो दैट राज्यसभा इज नॉट वीक बिकॉज सी पीपल हैव एक्चुअली कंपेयर्ड राज्यसभा विद लेट्स से an ornamental superstructure. Ornamental, basically ornaments are there for show, not for any work. सिर्फ शो के लिए होते हैं. तो we would counter that it is not an ornamental superstructure. सिर्फ शो ऑफ के लिए नहीं है. It's a very important institution. तो हम जस्टिफाई कैसे करेंगे? पहले तो शो करेंगे राज्यसभा हैज मेनी रोल्स विच आर इक्वल to the roles of the Lok Sabha. तो उस टाइप वो सारे पॉइंट्स लिख लेंगे. विल नॉट मेक एन एग्जॉस्टिव लिस्ट, 4-5 पॉइंट्स लिख लेंगे. थ्रू दैट विल गेट द आइडिया. जैसे इलेक्शन ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट, लोकसभा राज्यसभा के सेम पावर है. इम्पीचमेंट ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट सेम पावर है. इलेक्शन ऑफ वाइस प्रेसिडेंट सेम पावर है. रिमूवल ऑफ जज सेम पावर होगी दोनों के पास. अप्रूवल ऑफ इमरजेंसी दोनों के पास सेम पावर है. Ministers could be from any of the house. Means something of this sort. When you give arguments like this would show that Rajya Sabha कोई weak नहीं है. It is having equal powers with Lok Sabha. And then we would show that not only equal, इसके पास तो superior powers भी हैं. अगर आप देखोगे 3 आर्टिकल, we see Article 67, we see 249 and 312. So there are 3 areas wherein Rajya Sabha के पास तो बहुत ज़्यादा पावर है. That is removal of vice president, Rajya Sabha से भी initiate कर सकती है. Maybe if Parliament needs to make a law on state subject, then Rajya Sabha has to pass a resolution. Then only Parliament can make law on that subject, means state subject. तो ये भी बहुत स्पेशल पावर है. ऑल्सो ऑल इंडिया सर्विस, यू वांट टू मेक एन ऑल इंडिया सर्विस, राज्यसभा से ही आएगा रेजोल्यूशन. तो पहले हमने क्या शो किया इन आवर आंसर, दैट राज्यसभा इज डोंट कंसिडर एज वीक, इट इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग, इट इज इक्वल इंस्टीट्यूशन, इक्वली स्ट्रॉन्ग. देन और स्ट्रॉन्ग है ये एक्चुअली कुछ डोमेन में. तो एंड वी कैन इवन गिव प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम्पल्स ऑल्सो बाय शोइंग राज्यसभा के पास इक्वल क्या, इसने काम भी अच्छा किया हुआ है. जैसे Rajya Sabha has introduced many important bills which have become acts. अच्छे bills introduce किए हैं which has become acts. जैसे Hindu code bills, they were introduced in Rajya Sabha. Hindu Marriage Act, Hindu Succession Act, ये यहाँ पे इंट्रोड्यूस हुए हैं राज्यसभा के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में. ऐसा करो और देखो, वैसे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट में भी आप शो कर सकते हो. 64th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट फेल्ड. 43rd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट वाज पास एज 44th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट, क्योंकि राज्यसभा ने डिसएग्री किया था. एंड 64th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट फेल्ड बिकॉज ऑफ राज्यसभा ओनली. सो इवन इन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट राज्यसभा इज प्लेड इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. इवन व्हेन वी लुक इनटू जॉइंट सिटिंग, आज तक जब भी जॉइंट सिटिंग हुई है, टिल डेट व्हेनेवर जॉइंट सिटिंग हैज हैपेंड, इट हैज ऑलवेज हैपेंड बिकॉज ऑफ डिसएग्रीमेंट ऑफ राज्यसभा. It means that by joint sitting can happen even with Lok Sabha, or let's say disagreement of Lok Sabha or disagreement of Rajya Sabha होने में तो किसी का भी हो सकता है. But till date it has only happened, आज तक सिर्फ हुआ है जैसे सिर्फ राज्यसभा ने डिसएग्री किया है. तो इट मीन्स दैट कि राज्यसभा डिसएग्री करता है इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ों में व्हेन इट फील्स, मतलब व्हेन इट इज अनकंफर्टेबल. ऑल्सो in terms of the removal basically or impeachment, till date there has been only one precedent which was thought, where executive thought of impeachment. कभी process initiate नहीं किया था. So don't think they had initiated the process, it would be factually incorrect. But we thought only, we means the executive thought only once in the history of independent India in terms of impeaching the president, and that also could not be initiated because in Rajya Sabha they had less numbers. तो ये शो क्या करता है कि राज्य सभा को वीक ना समझे. It's a very important institution. So even if you get a question regarding should the Rajya Sabha be removed, so उसके जो strong points दिखाने होंगे ना, वो यही सारी arguments हैं जो हमने देखी है अभी. यही सारी arguments आप उठाइएगा आप, ठीक है. आप ऐसा कीजिए, हेडिंग लिखिए, write down a heading. In heading is whether Rajya Sabha is powerful or not. Whether Rajya Sabha is powerful or not. ठीक है. Write down, M.V. Piley says M.V. Piley says, Rajya Sabha is not an ornamental superstructure, not an ornamental superstructure, but a very important functioning part of Indian legislature. Very important functioning part of Indian legislature. Next line. He says there are number of co-equal powers. He says there are number of co-equal powers Rajya Sabha enjoys with Lok Sabha. He says there are number of co-equal powers Rajya Sabha enjoys with Lok Sabha, and in some cases enjoys superior power, and in some cases enjoys superior powers. ठीक है, सो एक सब हेडिंग लिखो, राइट डाउन सब हेडिंग इक्वल पावर्स, सब हेडिंग लिखिए इक्वल पावर्स, पॉइंट वाइज लिख लीजिए इसमें. इंट्रोडक्शन एंड पासिंग ऑफ ordinary and constitutional amendment bill, ordinary and constitutional amendment bill. ठीक है, so in constitutional amendment they both have equal powers. Next point, election and impeachment of president. Election and impeachment of president. Next point, election of vice president. Next point, removal of judge of Supreme Court. Supreme Court. मतलब हाई कोर्ट भी हो सकता है, हाई कोर्ट एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट दोनों सेम ही है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, मिनिस्टर कुड बी फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ द हाउस. Next point is approval of emergency. ठीक है, so equal powers we have written. This is not an exhaustive list. ठीक है, there are many more equal powers. However, हम लोग अभी कुछ पॉइंट्स लिख के जस्टिफाई तो कर ही रहे हैं. यू कैन ईजिली राइट मे बी एन एसे ऑन द काइंड ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन व्हाट वी हैव. ठीक है, एक और सब हेडिंग लिखिए. एक इक्वल पावर्स हमने लिख लिया, सब हेडिंग लिखिए स्पेशल पावर्स. ठीक है, स्पेशल पावर्स में ये तीनों पॉइंट लिख लीजिएगा. 67, 249, 312. ठीक है, 67, 249, 312. दीज आर स्पेशल पावर्स. ये तीनों आर्टिकल, ये तीनों आपको मैंने अलग अलग टाइम पे बताया है. गिव अ गैप ऑफ 1 2 line and then write down Rajya Sabha on number of occasions. Rajya Sabha on number of occasions initiated very important bills. Rajya Sabha on number of occasions initiated very important bills which have become acts. Which have become acts. ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल हिंदू मैरिज बिल, हिंदू मैरिज बिल. एक और एग्जाम्पल लिखो, हिंदू सक्सेशन बिल, हिंदू सक्सेशन बिल. सो वी हैव हिंदू मैरिज बिल एंड हिंदू सक्सेशन बिल. नेक्स्ट लाइन, on number of occasions, on number of occasion, Rajya Sabha disagreed with Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha disagreed with Lok Sabha, and the president had to call, and the president had to call joint sitting, and the president had to call joint sitting. ठीक है. नाउ इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ देखिए सॉरी, इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ जॉइंट सिटिंग 3 बार जो हुआ है, एक बार डाउरी के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में हुआ है, अनदर इज बैंकिंग सर्विसेज, थर्ड इज पोटा, प्रिवेंशन ऑफ टेररिज्म एक्ट. तीनों चीज़ें हैं बट जॉइंट सेशन को अलग से हम देखेंगे. ठीक है. सो यू बाय द टाइम वी कम टू जॉइंट सेशन मेक श्योर आप वो तीनों बिल के नाम याद रखेंगे. ठीक है, व्हेन जॉइंट सिटिंग हैपेंड. नेक्स्ट लाइन देखिए, in constitutional amendment bill, in constitutional amendment, Rajya Sabha played important role. In constitutional amendment, Rajya Sabha played important role. Full stop, continue. 43rd Constitutional Amendment Bill, 43rd Constitutional Amendment Bill was subsequently modified to the satisfaction of Rajya Sabha, and finally approved as 44th Constitutional Amendment Act, and finally approved as 44th Constitutional Amendment Act. Next line, 64th Constitutional Amendment Bill, 64th Constitutional Amendment Bill failed due to disagreement of Rajya Sabha. 64th Constitutional Amendment Bill failed due to disagreement of Rajya Sabha. Failed due to disagreement of Rajya Sabha. Next line. Process of impeachment of President. Process of impeachment of President Gyani Zail Singh could not be initiated due to lack of majority in Rajya Sabha. देखिए, डोंट राइट दैट इट फेल्ड, इट वॉज, क्योंकि गलत हो जाएगा. इट वॉज नॉट इवन इनिशिएटेड. ठीक है, सो दोनों में फर्क है. नेक्स्ट लाइन पे लिखिए, राइट डाउन, इन द era of coalition, with regularly the government are not having majority, the government the government are not having, government is not having majority in Rajya Sabha, full stop, continue. As a result, government acts democratically. As a result, government acts democratically, comma, persuasively, as Rajya Sabha, can stall, STALL, can stall the initiative of Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha can stall the initiative of Lok Sabha. ठीक है. So now, एक मिनट. Now I'll see exactly. कुछ एक क्वेश्चन भी है, थोड़ा लंबा सा है. Now in that context, what do we have? एक मिनट देखता हूँ. Sir, if ruling party at the center and state, ठीक है, कोई center and state पे ruling party same है. So the Speaker of the Legislative Assembly and the Governor surely be in favor of ruling party. सही बात है बेटा. So if the ruling party, the center and the state is same, so Speaker of the Legislative Assembly and the Governor surely be in favor of ruling party. Yes, practically यही होता है. ठीक है. By that time, if opposition party brings no confidence motion, the Speaker will not take any action even if they are sure that many MLAs of ruling party is subject to anti-defection law. एक मिनट. But by that time, if opposition party brings no confidence motion, the Speaker will not take any action even they are sure that many MLAs of ruling party is subject to anti-defection law, and in this case, even if they approach the governor, he also will not check confidence of the ruling party. Even if opposition approach the president, he will not take any action. Even court will say that will decide with the parliament or assembly. So in this situation, what will be the remedy of the opposition? अच्छा बेटा देखो, क्वेश्चन जो आपने बोला है ना, दैट इज दैट नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन जो है वो इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाएगा बाय द लेजिस्लेचर. सही है. नाउ स्पीकर बिहेवियर इज जनरली सीन एज बायस. जनरली इनका बायस रहता है. हाउएवर in terms of governor also has to, मतलब governor would listen to council of ministers. council of ministers बोलेंगे कि नहीं नहीं अभी देखिए, governor is not the head of the house. governor can actually say that I believe you have lost confidence, you show me the majority. governor कर सकते हैं. however governor generally listen to the council of ministers. so इस केस में governor के पास जाके तो कोई मतलब नहीं है. When we talk about the opposition, if opposition has numbers, ठीक है, देखो confidence, no confidence का concept क्या है. If they have 51% in terms of government, they have the confidence. If they don't have 51%, they don't have the confidence. So point is, they are able, अगर वो show कर पाते हैं, it's not necessarily that they will be only in the house. वो बाहर जाके show करेंगे, but that would have no meaning in reality because the confidence has to be tested on the floor of the house. तो कॉन्टेक्स्ट होता क्या है, अलाउ कर दिया जाता है, थोड़ा डिले करने की कोशिश की जाएगी. स्पीकर में नॉट गिव द टाइम, एडिक्वेट टाइम टू दी. एडिक्वेट टाइम मीन्स ये थोड़ा लंबा टाइम दे देगा. ठीक है, लेट्स से इफ टुडे इज अप्रैल फॉर एग्जांपल 10th, अगर अप्रैल 10th है ऐसी रैंडम नंबर, अगर तो हो सकता है कि बोल दे कि मई 5 को आप चेक करवाओगे या अप्रैल 20 को चेक करवाओगे. तो व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंस, इसमें ना पीपल हैव गॉन टू कोर्ट्स आल्सो इन दिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट, एंड कोर्ट्स हैव सेड नहीं नहीं आप टेस्ट करवाओ, आप अभी टेस्ट करवा दो आप. ऐसा हुआ है कर्नाटक के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में, दैट द गवर्नर गेव मोर टाइम बट द कोर्ट सेड कि नो, आप 48 घंटे में करके दिखाओगे ये. सो पॉसिबिलिटी तो हो जाएगी, सोल्यूशन हो जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ठीक है बेटा, सुब्रता बेटा. ठीक है. नाउ अब वी आर कंटिन्यूइंग विद आवर डिस्कशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ डिड राज्यसभा प्ले इट्स रोल. ठीक है. सो राज्यसभा के दो रोल होते हैं. एक रोल है हाउस ऑफ बेसिकली द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द हाउस एंड मतलब फेडरल एस्पेक्ट है, और दूसरा है दैट इज द हाउस विद विजडम. दोनों में थोड़े से पॉजिटिव पॉइंट मिलेंगे हमें, बट ज़्यादा नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. जैसे अगर हम बोलेंगे रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द स्टेट, यस, तो आप दिखा सकते हो दैट द पीपल हु आर गेटिंग इलेक्टेड आर बीइंग इलेक्टेड बाय द हाउस. हाउस ही तो इलेक्ट कर रहा है इनको. हाउस इलेक्ट कर रहा है मतलब सॉरी, स्टेट ही तो इलेक्ट कर रहा है. वेस्ट बंगाल अपने भेजेगा लोग, अपने लोग भेजेगा मतलब जिसको वेस्ट बंगाल असेंबली इलेक्ट करेगी. नाउ दे कुड बी फ्रॉम राजस्थान ऑल्सो, हाउएवर असेंबली तो वेस्ट बंगाल की इलेक्ट करेगी. सो क्या होगा, स्टेट भेजता है उनको. सो दैट शोज दैट फेडरल एस्पेक्ट या हाउस ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, अगेन यार पता नहीं बार बार रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आ रहा है, बेसिकली स्टेट्स रिप्रेजेंटेटिव का रोल प्ले करते हैं. एमपी लैड स्कीम जो है वो भी मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, जो लोकल डेवलपमेंट स्कीम है, उसमें राज्यसभा के मेंबर्स सिर्फ स्टेट में खर्च कर सकते हैं, वो भी फेडरल कैरेक्टर ही है. ऐसे ही पॉइंट्स निकालते हैं. अप्रूवल ऑफ इमरजेंसी जो है वो भी राज्यसभा का लगेगा, तो क्या होगा, फेडरल कैरेक्टर आ गया. बट प्रैक्टिस में आप देखोगे तो दे हैव नॉट प्लेड देयर रोल वेल. हाउ वी कैन से दे हैव नॉट प्लेड देयर रोल, क्योंकि 7th शेड्यूल में ना शुरुआत में बहुत सारी मतलब देयर वर अराउंड, मतलब जैसे वाइल्ड लाइफ हो गया, फॉरेस्ट हो गया, वेट एंड मेजर्स हो गया, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ जस्टिस हो गया, एजुकेशन, ऑल दीज 5 सब्जेक्ट्स, दीज वर देयर विद द स्टेट, बट they were shifted to concurrent list. Many state objected. Now we am not saying कि ये चीज़ सही हुई है गलत हुई है. My point is state ने ऑब्जेक्ट किया है, आपने क्यों हाँ की. So many states had objected, but Rajya Sabha did not stop it. So Rajya Sabha ने अप्रूवल दिया होगा तभी तो ये गया हुआ है ये सारी चीज़ें. Again, we are not going कि वो चीज़ सही हुई है, education after going to concurrent list was nice or not. We are not into that domain. हमारा सिर्फ ये डोमेन है कि राज्यसभा ने स्टेट के इंटरेस्ट नहीं प्रोटेक्ट किया. मिसयूज कितनी बार हुआ है, 356, मेनी टाइम मिसयूज हैज हैपेंड ऑफ 356. दैट आल्सो शोज व्हाट, राज्यसभा ने प्ले नहीं किया है अपना रोल. अगर मिसयूज होता राज्यसभा शुड हैव स्टॉप्ड. So the point is we've got many domains wherein we see that, where we find that Rajya Sabha has not played its role. Even election of Rajya Sabha is marred with money and muscle power. Yes, Rajya Sabha, there is Jharkhand sting operation. Jharkhand में sting operation हुआ था, and through that it was found out that कि voters, the people were ready to take money in context of voting in a particular manner or rejecting, मतलब abstaining. If they want somebody to abstain at the time of election of people for Rajya Sabha, abstain कर रहे थे 50 लाख रुपए 1 करोड़ में. This is already available in, or it's there on YouTube. This clearly shows Rajya Sabha has not been playing its role. पहले इसको लिखते हैं, फिर आगे जाएंगे हम. राइट डाउन, एक हेडिंग लिखिए आप. हेडिंग इज डिड Rajya Sabha play its federal role? Did Rajya Sabha play its federal role? Did Rajya Sabha play its federal role? ठीक है. सो राइट डाउन इन फेवर मीन पॉजिटिव, इन फेवर लिखिए आप. राइट डाउन members are elected by the state. Members are elected by the state legislature. Members are elected by the state legislature. Next point, Article 249 312, ये भी फेडरल कैरेक्टर दिखाएगा. Article 249 and 312. Next is MP lad scheme. MP lad scheme. ठीक है, एमपी लाइट स्कीम, इट मीन्स दे कैन चूज एनी पार्ट इन विद इन द स्टेट, वो कुछ भी कहीं पे खर्च कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो दैट इज ऑल्सो फेडरल कैरेक्टर. नेक्स्ट इज state emergency requires approval. State emergency requires approval of Rajya Sabha. ठीक है, आई एम मेंशनिंग स्टेट इमरजेंसी बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट फेडरल एस्पेक्ट. वैसे इमरजेंसी इटसेल्फ रिक्वायर्स अप्रूवल ऑफ एनी फॉर्म ऑफ इमरजेंसी, रिक्वायर्स अप्रूवल ऑफ राज्यसभा. हाउएवर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट फेडरल रूल, इसके लिए स्टेट इमरजेंसी लिखा है हमने. ठीक है, सो डोंट थिंक कि ऐसा क्यों लिखा हुआ है. अनदर हेडिंग इज क्रिटिकल व्यू. ठीक है, क्रिटिकल व्यू, राइट डाउन. क्रिटिकल व्यू पे लिखिए, in the seventh schedule, items from list 2, entries from list 2 has gone down negatively affecting state's power. Negatively affecting state's power. Negatively affecting state's power. Full stop. Continue. Through 42nd constitutional amendment, large number of items were removed. From the state. Large number of items were removed from the state, comma, multiple states had resisted it. Next point, misuse of Article 356. सो इसमें राज्यसभा ने रोका नहीं. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट लाइन, जो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट लिखिए, दो राज्यसभा कैन रेज क्वेश्चंस, comma, can delay bills, but it used these provisions in the interest of political parties rather in the interest of state. Next point, election to Rajya Sabha is more on political lines than on their view on state interest, comma, priorities. ब्रैकेट में लिखिए, second chamber is not a council of state. Second chamber is not a council of state. Second chamber is not a council of state, rather a council of political political parties. ठीक है, देखिए वैसे वो बात अलग है कि कोलिशन पे फेडरल कैरेक्टर ऑफ राज्यसभा दिखता है. राज्यसभा स्टार्ट्स फंक्शनिंग मोर फेडरल इन कोलिशन, बिकॉज कोलिशन पे एग्जीक्यूटिव वीक हो जाएंगे, राज्यसभा पावरफुल हो जाएगी. ठीक है. स्ट्रॉन्ग गवर्नमेंट में राज्यसभा वीक हो जाएगी. दैट इज व्हाट वी सी नाउ ऑल्सो. नाउ सो एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स. कोलिशन को भी रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं. जनरली व्हेन इट इज सीन दैट ड्यूरिंग कोलिशन द राज्यसभा एक्ट्स मोर फेडरल. ठीक है. नाउ अनदर क्वेश्चन है, sir, if any party has sent any member of its state quota of Rajya Sabha member, a person from outside the state, then their MP-led fund will be spent in which state? बेटा स्टेट नाम तो स्टेट का ही जाएगा ना. जैसे मनमोहन सिंह साहब was from, though he is from होशियारपुर, but he was sent from Assam. So MP-led fund of मनमोहन सिंह के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में वो असम में ही खर्च हो सकता है. वो और कहीं नहीं खर्च होगा, चाहे वो कहीं के भी हो. जिस स्टेट में भेजा उसी स्टेट में जाएगा वो. इट इज़ इमटेरियल वो आदमी कहाँ से बिलोंग करता है. ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है ना कि एक आदमी भाई इलेक्टर हो मे बी कैलकाटा से, बट वो इलेक्ट हो जाए दार्जिलिंग से. अगर लोकसभा के लिए है तो वो कैलकाटा में थोड़ी खर्च कर पाएगा, वो दार्जिलिंग में ही खर्च करेगा. बट राज्यसभा में तो पूरा और बड़ी जगह मिलती है. ठीक है. नाउ वी गॉट अलग एरिया अब हमें देखना है. वैसे हम basically आई एम गोइंग टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड टू थिंग्स. साथ में हम लोग कर लेंगे कि राज्यसभा का हाउस ऑफ एल्डर्स या हाउस विद विजडम जैसा रोल. फेडरल रोल तो देख लिया, हाउस ऑफ एल्डर्स हाउस विद विजडम देखना है. तो अगर आप पॉजिटिव में लिखना चाहोगे, यू कैन शो दैट द एज ऑफ राज्यसभा इज मोर देन द लोकसभा. दैट शोज हाउस ऑफ एल्डर्स. हाउस विद विजडम में यू कैन शो एक्सपर्टीज. 12 लोग तो नॉमिनेटेड होते हैं तो एक्सपर्टीज दिख जाता है. सो हाउस विद विजडम भी बोल सकते हैं. We've got the indirect election was also used as a point to show ये house with wisdom है. अब बात आती है how can indirect election show house with wisdom? The point is many people are there who would never be able to get elected through direct election because they are not politicians. ठीक है. They will not be able to convince the local population public. वोट सबको वोट मिलने के लिए बहुत बार होता है कि दैट द पर्सन हु इज कंटेस्टिंग वो बहुत अच्छा है, वो बेस्ट है, बट वो अट्रैक्ट नहीं कर पा रहा है वोटर्स को. सो द पर्सन इज नॉट विनिंग, राइट. एंड देयर कुड बी अ पर्सन जो बेवकूफ़ है, हु इज़ गुड फॉर नथिंग बट ही इज़ अ गुड ओरेटर, अच्छा बोलता है तो अट्रैक्ट कर लेगा बहुत बड़ी चीज़ें. So the point is indirect election also shows that कि कुछ ऐसे लोग जो डायरेक्टली नहीं आ पाएंगे वो भी आ सकते हैं. That can also be used as house with wisdom because Iyengar and Radhakrishnan साहब ने यही यूज किया था. However, when we look at the critical view, we don't find house of elders or house with wisdom because in the first Lok Sabha, the average age of Lok Sabha was 64 years. And Rajya Sabha it was 64.8, only slightly higher. तो क्या मतलब रहा हाउस ऑफ एल्डर्स का? Many time it has happened that the Lok Sabha had more age than Rajya Sabha. उसके बाद Rajya Sabha has not been basically any less indisciplined. Rajya Sabha भी indisciplined बनी हुई है. तो how can we say house with wisdom? Rajya Sabha is not changing bills as per the requirement. इन टर्म्स ऑफ विजडम कॉन्टेक्स्ट में वो पार्टी के बेस पे काम कर रही है. फिर क्या मतलब होगी? बिल्स इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं कर रही है राज्यसभा, इंपॉर्टेंट बिल्स, पता नहीं कब वो पास है, वो इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं करती, इंट्रोड्यूस करती है तो पास नहीं करती है. ठीक है. एन डी पामर ने क्या बोला था? एनडी पामर एक्चुअली सेड राज्य सभा हैज बीन डूइंग नथिंग अदर देन पुटिंग पंक्चुएशंस एंड करेक्टिंग टाइटल्स। सिर्फ वो कॉमा, कैपिटल इसी में घूम रही है वो। दे आर ओनली करेक्टिंग पंक्चुएशंस एंड पुटिंग टाइटल्स। क्या मतलब है इसका? इससे कितना खराब क्रिटिसिज्म है दैट दे आर एक्चुअली लुकिंग एट द ग्रामर, दैट्स इट, दे आर नॉट लुकिंग एट द स्पिरिट। वो सिर्फ लेटर को ढूंढ रहे हैं, कैपिटल स्मॉल, दैट्स इट। So we have that these points prove that it is not working as House with Wisdom. And when people are also voting on, let's say, they're taking money for election, तो कैसे आप बोल सकते हो कि House with Wisdom है? अब देखो, demand to remove the Rajya Sabha has been there since long time. ठीक है? एसपी सेन वर्मा ने बोला है कि इफ यू रिमूव लोकसभा, मतलब he has actually said that if Lok Sabha is abolished, India as a nation cease to exist, and if Rajya Sabha is abolished, India as a union cease to exist. So इन्होंने पूरा स्टेटमेंट दिया कि मतलब if लोकसभा abolish करो आप, so if Lok Sabha is abolished, India as a nation cease to exist. हमारा डिस्कशन तो राज्यसभा के लिए है, but he has actually given a statement that if Lok Sabha is abolished, India as a nation cease to exist. If Rajya Sabha is abolished, India as a union cease to exist. ये बहुत ही अच्छी statement है. We can use it in our answer. Also, see, from starting means starting of independence, Lanka Sundaram and Gurupad Swami, they were also members of the, they were MPs. So Lanka Sundaram and Gurupad Swami had said that क्यों चाहिए दो हाउस, we don't need two house, निकालो राज्यसभा को. So but Rajya Sabha was there, so they said that every era has its own political superstition. सबका अपना एक political superstition है. Political superstition है मतलब कि two houses are better than one house. ये उस टाइम का है. So the Lanka Sundaram and Gurupad Swami were saying every, let's say every era has its own political superstition. Current era has that two houses are better than one house. ये उनका स्टेटमेंट है. अब राज्यसभा की डिमांड क्यों आती है रिमूव करने के लिए? बिकॉज व्हेन यू सी द लोकसभा दैट्स डायरेक्टली इलेक्टेड हाउस है ये. राज्यसभा इनडायरेक्टली इलेक्टेड है. लोकसभा वो कुछ मे बी पैशन में या लोगों की डिमांड ज़्यादा रही है, सो दे में इंट्रोड्यूस अ बिल. राज्यसभा उस एंड वो पास भी कर सकती है लोकसभा, बट राज्यसभा रोक देता है उसको. सो देर इज अ व्यू हाउ कैन डायरेक्टली इलेक्टेड हाउस जो है, हाउ कैन डायरेक्टली इलेक्टेड हाउस बी रिस्ट्रिक्टेड और बी स्टॉप्ड बाय एन इनडायरेक्टली इलेक्टेड हाउस. क्योंकि भाई डायरेक्टली इलेक्टेड विल ऑफ द पीपल इज बीइंग रिस्ट्रिक्टेड, तो ये तो नहीं होना चाहिए. तो इस आर्ग्यूमेंट के ऊपर ही आता है दैट राज्यसभा शुड नॉट बी देयर. व्हेन वी सी द डिमांड इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिमूवल ऑफ राज्यसभा, वो कंटिन्यू मतलब ओरिजिनल इंडिपेंडेंस के स्टार्टिंग से आई हुई है. दिस डिमांड इंक्रीज इन 70s में बढ़ती गई. इन 80s अ प्राइवेट मेंबर बिल वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड टू अबॉलिश राज्यसभा, मतलब बिल्स भी आ चुके हैं. हाउएवर इन 90s there was a demand to increase the power of Rajya Sabha. 90s में तो डिमांड आई राज्यसभा की पावर बढ़ा दो. So why this another direction? पहले तो लोकसभा की बात आ रही थी कि राज्यसभा को हटा ही दो, but why in 90s there was a demand? Because coalition came into the picture. 90s was time of coalition, so we've seen coalition में राज्यसभा के पास पावर बढ़ेगी. So 90s छोड़ दें तो generally there is no discussion in terms of increasing the power of Rajya Sabha. On the contrary, the discussion was Rajya Sabha should be removed. This century also the demand continued in terms of removal. Now when we look at the freedom fighters, so if you talk about Iyengar Saab, if you talk about Radhakrishna Saab, you talk about Nehru Saab, you talk about Ambedkar Saab, you talk about Gandhi Saab, people had different views. Now there were views that let's have second house, but purpose क्या है second house का? Second house का purpose as per Nehru was that representative of the states रहेंगे ये, मतलब नेहरू साहब had thought that the Rajya Sabha would function as per the American Senate, उनके जैसा काम करेगी. Iyengar साहब was thinking that Rajya Sabha would play as house of elder or house with wisdom, मतलब ब्रिटिश व्यू रखा उन्होंने. तो पॉइंट क्या है, देर वर पीपल जो who were demanding two houses, but reasons for both were different. एक मांग रहे हैं अमेरिकन व्यू एंड अदर वाज कि ब्रिटिश व्यू करेंगे. हमने दोनों व्यू रखा है. इफ यू लुक एट महात्मा गांधी, सॉरी, ही एक्चुअली डिड नॉट वांट सेकंड हाउस. वो चाहते ही नहीं थे सेकंड हाउस आए. वो बोल रहे थे वन गुड हाउस इज बेटर देन टू हाउस. बात तो सही है. If you have one good house, it is much better than two houses. He also said that India cannot afford the luxury of two houses. India is a recently independent country जो बना है, तो पैसा नहीं है. बात भी सही है. आप सोचो ना, 245 मेंबर्स जो होंगे अगर, या 250 मेंबर्स होंगे, यू थिंक कि करोड़ों रुपए खर्च होता है. हंड्रेड्स ऑफ करोर्स खर्च होता है. ये कुछ 10, 15, 20 करोड़ नहीं है. You require a proper separate setup. You require secretariat, staff लगेगा आपको. You require privileges, पैसा, training, pension, n number of things are required. कोई बड़ी बात नहीं 400-500 करोड़ रुपए साला खर्च हो जाता हो. तो it's not a small amount. So point is that गांधी साहब was saying that don't spend money. क्यों पैसा खर्च कर रहे हो आप? एक अच्छा हाउस बना लो आप. When we look at Dr. Ambedkar, so Ambedkar साहब was of the view that the second house अभी जो है वो tentative है, temporary है, because in the Constituent Assembly it was clear that Ambedkar साहब ने clearly बोला है that India is going for two houses. If it does not work well, we can go in for, or future can go for one house. एंड मतलब आर्ग्यूमेंट जब होती है ना, जब भी कोर्ट्स में कुछ लेके जाया जाता है एंड देयर इज सम एम्बिग्यूटी, सो कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली डिबेट्स को देखा जाता है. यहाँ डिबेट्स में क्लियरली है कि उन्होंने बोला कि भाई राज्यसभा जो है वो हटाई जा सकती है. तो ये आपने सारा व्यू देख लिया. हाउएवर एंडिंग में आपका है कि भाई राज्यसभा हैज टू स्टे. राज्यसभा को रुकना है. रिफॉर्म्स होने चाहिए बस राज्यसभा में. सो रिफॉर्म्स किस किस टाइप के हो सकते हैं? रिफॉर्म हो सकते हैं इक्वालिटी ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेशन मिल जाए, हर स्टेट को इक्वल मिल जाए रिप्रेजेंटेशन, बट वी कांट से राज्यसभा हैज टू गो. सेकेंडली, आप द आर्ग्यूमेंट्स व्हाट वी हैड गिवन एट द टाइम ऑफ इज राज्यसभा पावरफुल और नॉट, वो आर्ग्यूमेंट्स डालेंगे टू शो कि राज्यसभा हटाओ मत, राज्यसभा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट काम करती है. ठीक है. सो अब आप लिखिए, थोड़ा सा डिक्टेशन में जाएंगे बेटा हम. लिखिए, हेडिंग लिखिए, डिड राज्यसभा प्ले its role as House of Elders, comma, house with wisdom. ठीक है. पॉइंट में लिखेंगे हम लोग. पहले पॉजिटिव व्यू लिख लीजिए. पॉजिटिव, nomination of members based on expertise. Nomination of members based on expertise. Next point, minimum age is more as compared to Lok Sabha. Minimum age is more as compared to Lok Sabha. Next point, membership to Rajya Sabha is by indirect election. Membership to Rajya Sabha is by indirect election. ठीक है. Now ये third point के अंदर है ना, within the third point only you will write on the next line. Next line पे लिखिए, third point का ही context है. Write down G.S. Iyengar, बोर्ड पे लिखा हुआ है, G.S. Iyengar, Dr. Radhakrishnan stated that Rajya Sabha is designed to give representation. Rajya Sabha is designed to give representation to individuals with knowledge, with expertise, who otherwise would not be able to be represented into the legislature through regular politics. Write down another heading, critical view. Write down, in the first Lok Sabha, the average age of Lok Sabha was approximately 64 years. Comma, and Rajya Sabha was approximately 64.8. Bracket में लिखिए, only slightly higher, bracket close, full stop, continue. Post first Lok Sabha, till now, there has been instances that Lok Sabha had average age more than Rajya Sabha. Next point, the bills mostly have been, next point लिखिए, the bills mostly has been initiated, in Lok Sabha. The bills mostly has been initiated in Lok Sabha. Next point, debates on party lines rather on merit. Next line, N.D. Palmer, बोर्ड में लिखा है बेटा, N.D. Palmer stated that N.D. Palmer stated that Rajya Sabha has been doing nothing. N.D. Palmer stated that Rajya Sabha has been doing nothing. Rajya Sabha has been doing nothing rather than changing titles. Rather than changing titles and correcting punctuations. And correcting punctuations. ठीक है, next point. Rajya Sabha has not been any less indisciplined than Lok Sabha. Any less indisciplined than Lok Sabha. Next point. Election to Rajya Sabha has been marred. M-A-R-R-E-D. Election to Rajya Sabha has been marred. M-A-R-R-E-D. Marred with money and muscle. Marred with money and muscle. Sorry. ठीक है, ब्रैकेट में you can write down Jharkhand sting operation. Jharkhand sting operation. So you would like to see, you can even quote that there was a sting operation done in Jharkhand and it shows that people, MLAs were ready to give vote on the basis of amount. Give 50 lakh 1 crore. ठीक है, लास्ट हेडिंग एक और लिखिए अभी, हेडिंग लिखिए वेदर टू अबॉलिश राज्यसभा और नॉट. Whether to abolish Rajya Sabha or not. Write down, though Rajya Sabha has not been able to play its role well, but abolishing it would be a disaster. For Indian Federation. ब्रैकेट में लिखिए फेडरल इंटरेस्ट वुड डाई. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट लाइन राइट डाउन, SP सेन वर्मा. लिखिए नेक्स्ट लाइन पे, SP सेन वर्मा सेड. देखिए पहले वो लोकसभा के लिए बोलते हैं, देन राज्यसभा के लिए बोलेंगे. ठीक है, सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज दैट देयर इज एन एरर. फर्स्ट ही एक्चुअली स्पीक्स ऑन लोकसभा. सो राइट डाउन, SP Sen Verma said, if Lok Sabha is abolished, India as a nation cease to exist. And if Rajya Sabha is abolished, India as a union cease to exist. Next line, right from the initial days, till contemporary period, till contemporary period, role of Rajya Sabha, role of Rajya Sabha and its existence has been debated and its existence has been debated. Next line. Constitution makers, example Nehru, constitution makers, example Nehru, comma, G.S. Iyengar, comma, Radhakrishnan, comma, Ambedkar, etc. were in favor of, were in favor of bicameralism. Next line. Nehru wanted Rajya Sabha as a federal chamber. Nehru wanted Rajya Sabha as a federal chamber. ब्रैकेट में लिखिए अमेरिकन व्यू. नेक्स्ट लाइन. Iyengar and Radhakrishnan, ब्रैकेट में लिखिए ब्रिटिश व्यू. Iyengar and Radhakrishnan, within the bracket write down British view, bracket close, advocated bicameralism because they believed upper house will give representation to elders and also revise hastily means jaldi, hastily brought up legislation by Lok Sabha. Hastily brought up legislation by Lok Sabha. Next line. Gandhi opposed bicameralism. On the understanding that one good lower chamber would be able to successfully take up all matters, full stop, continue. He also said being a new nation, there is financial weakness, full stop, continue. So cannot have luxury. So cannot have luxury of two houses. So cannot have luxury of two houses. Next line. When decision was taken for bicameralism, when decision was taken for bicameralism, it was tentative. It was tentative. Full stop. Continue. Ambedkar had said, India is going for bicameralism. India is going for bicameralism. But if it does not operate well, does not operate well, then future generations can amend and go for unicameralism. Can amend and go for unicameralism. Next line. In 1954 itself, Lanka Sundaram and Gurupad Swami Lanka Sundaram and Gurupad Swami demanded abolition of Raj Sabha and said every era has its own political superstition. Every era has its own political superstition. And the current era has bicameralism as its political superstition. Next line. Demand for abolition of Raj Sabha continued in 1971-72, continued in 1971, 72 and 75. 71, 72 and 75. Full stop. In 1981, a private member bill was introduced to abolish Raj Sabha. A private member bill was introduced to abolish Raj Sabha. Next line, ब्रैकेट में लिखिए Write down the bracket. In 1991, write this thing in bracket. 1991. On the other hand, there was demand to increase. There was demand to increase the power. Demand to increase the power of Rajya Sabha due to coalition. Right, so we've written in the bracket because we are actually talking about removing the Rajya Sabha. Suddenly, how come we're talking about making it powerful? क्योंकि 91 में बोला गया था ये, ठीक है? Bracket close. Next line. Again in 2002, 2010, again in 2002, 2010, demand came for abolition. Demand came for abolition of Rajya Sabha. Demand came for abolition of Rajya Sabha. Full stop. Continue. But India cannot afford. But India cannot afford to abolish Rajya Sabha. But India cannot afford to abolish Rajya Sabha till the time it is federal. Till the time it is federal. Full stop. Continue. Rajya Sabha has to continue. Rajya Sabha has to continue. But there has to be reform. But there has to be reform. Next line. M.M. Punchi Commission. M.M. Punchi Commission and second ARC had said. M.M. Punchi Commission and second ARC had said there should be equal representation. There should be equal representation of various states in Rajya Sabha so that it provides equal status to all states, so that it provides equal status to all states. Equal status to all states. ठीक है, equal status कहाँ है? US में they get equal status. Australia also has equal status in terms of their Rajya Sabha or their Senate. So we've seen even from the main side how important is Rajya Sabha. Should Rajya Sabha be removed? We've seen how, let's say, the role of Rajya Sabha, we've divided into the role as Senate role, basically the federal role, and House of Representatives, not House of Representatives, but basically House of Wisdom, House with Wisdom. तो इस context में आप divide कर देंगे. I've told you how to write an answer if at all the question is not divided. Also, when we look at the aspect of these Rajya Sabha, we know that how powerful this institution is because many of the areas it has equal power and few it is having more power. वो बात अलग है. Lok Sabha is more powerful, particularly in financial matter, no doubt about that. But everything depends on what we have to prove. If we have to prove Rajya Sabha is powerful, we would justify that Rajya Sabha is powerful. हम justify करते रहेंगे points पे. We have to cater to the condition of the questions or however they place the question, we would answer that. ठीक है? Now, in terms of the parliament, we are left with basically the I would explain you the bicameral state legislature, but that would require comparatively more time. So that we have to do it, but tomorrow, however, that would not take much time. So bicameral state legislature जब हम करेंगे ना, through that we would get to know the state legislature also. साथ ही में हो जाएगा. State legislature does not require separate class. It would hardly take half an hour's time. Because if you understand parliament, you will find the replica happening at the state level. But you cannot say legislative council is similar to Rajya Sabha. No, legislative council is different and it has different powers. I'll even I'll explain you कि क्यों ऐसा बोला जा रहा है. But there is a discussion regarding that. So we would see the bicameral state legislature. We would see joint session को भी देखेंगे हम लोग. Parliamentary privilege means the next biggest topic which is left is parliamentary privilege. ये बड़ा topic है ये. In parliament context, in parliamentary privilege, we would see it from PT point of view, we would even see from mains point of view. Now, in terms of PT point of view, there would be factual information, what could happen if the session is in, sorry, if the session is continuing, can we arrest an MLA, or parliamentary privileges are extended to the person, क्या MLA के लिए अलग है, sorry, is it different for the MLA, it is different for the MP, क्या ऐसा तो नहीं है, या it is same, that we'll see. Also, we find that are our fundamental rights available against parliamentary privilege? Available है कि नहीं है? Or there are few articles like, let's say article 19(1)(a), that's not available, but 21 is available. That we would see, and we would even look at it from the mains perspective. We also need to see that codification of parliamentary privilege is not there. Codification तो नहीं है. तो ये देखना है कि should codification be there? Codification होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए? That also we'll have to look. However, before that, we have to look office of profit. मतलब parliamentary privilege से आने से पहले हमें office of profit तो देखना ही पड़ेगा. So office of profit from both side PT and mains aspect. We would not be going into defection. Defection has already been done. आपका defection हो ही चुका है. तो we would not be into that domain. After that, I'll make you understand the money bill in context of exam. We're not going to go and pass a money bill. तो इस मतलब तो exam ही का तो देखना है हमें. तो we would see what special powers or what kind of questions can be expected from the money bill aspect. I would make you understand that appropriation bill जो है, why do we call that? So there are certain areas which you will pick up from the text. However, I'll make you understand कि ऐसे which all areas you need to concentrate. There are different types of motions. Those are factual in nature. You will read it. If there is any problem, you will ask me. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है उसका. With that, our area or our topic of parliament would be over. ये पूरा discussion जब हो जाएगा, parliament खत्म हो जाएगा. And then we'll be left with the Panchayati Raj institution. So we should take approximately maximum 2 days में we should be able to finish it. ठीक है, कल परसों में हो जाना चाहिए पार्लियामेंट, मतलब पार्लियामेंट as well as पंचायत. पंचायत hardly takes any time. That does not mean we don't need to discuss that. उसको बताना पड़ेगा क्योंकि where the core area is, how to identify questions. ठीक है, so we would see these things. कल हम इसको देखेंगे. ठीक है, so we'll catch up tomorrow. Okay, so thank you, all the best.